In this video, we'll show you how to reset your online banking password on your desktop computer. The steps are similar on your mobile device. You want to make sure you don't lock yourself out of your account. If you think you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password option before incorrectly entering it 3 times. To get started, click the Login button in the top right corner of our homepage to be taken to the login screen. Select the Forgot Password link found towards the bottom of the page. Here you'll be asked to verify yourself by entering your branch, member number, and either the last 3 digits of the social insurance number or the date of birth of the member that is listed first on the account. Click Continue. For your protection, we need to verify it's you by sending a verification code. Click Continue to generate this code. You'll receive your code within moments and will need to input it right away before it expires in 10 minutes. Go ahead and retrieve your code, enter it, and click Continue. A green check mark indicating your code was successfully validated will appear. Click Continue. The password reset screen will appear. Enter your new password. Then re-enter your new password and continue. A green check mark indicating your password was successfully reset will appear. Click the Go to Login button to return to the login page. You're now ready to log in with your new password. Thanks for learning along with us. If you'd like to learn even more, check out the Ways to Bank page on our website.